Today I'm going to show you exactly how to rename a layer in Photoshop. And I promise, it's a super simple skill that'll make your projects more organized and easier to manage. Whether you're working with dozens of layers or just a couple, knowing how to rename them will help you keep track of everything and avoid confusion down the line. By the end of this video, you'll feel confident and ready to keep your workflow neat and tidy, no matter how complex your Photoshop file gets. Let's dive in. First, look to the bottom right of your Photoshop workspace where you'll find the Layers panel. That's where all your project's layers live, and it's the key to keeping your work structured. If you don't see the Layers panel, just head up to the window menu at the top and select Layers. It should appear right away. Now, to rename a layer, there's a really quick, intuitive way. All you need to do is double-click right on the name of the layer. That means, wherever you see the text like Layer 1 or Background, move your cursor over it and give it a double-click. Sometimes people accidentally double-click in the blank area instead of the text, so just make sure you're clicking directly on the name itself. When you do this, the layer name will become editable, the text will highlight, almost like you're about to rename a file on your computer desktop. At this point, you can simply type in the new name you want, maybe sky, logo, or any description that'll help you find this layer quickly. Once you've finished typing, just press enter on your keyboard. It's as easy as that. And don't worry if you make a typo, you can always repeat the process and change it again. If double-clicking isn't your style, or maybe your mouse settings make double-clicks finicky, there's another foolproof method. Go ahead and right-click directly on the layer in the Layers panel. You'll see a menu pop up offering different options for working with layers. Just scroll down and choose Rename Layer. This works exactly the same way. The layer name becomes editable, and you can type in whatever you like. Press enter when you're done and your new name is set. Renaming layers isn't just about tidiness, it's about efficiency too. Imagine working on a complex artwork with 20 or 30 layers. Trust me, after a while, seeing a bunch of layers labeled Layer 5, Layer 6, Layer 7 gets confusing fast. Giving each layer a descriptive name means you can find exactly what you're looking for in seconds, saving you time and creative energy. Think of it like labeling moving boxes before a big move. When everything has a clear name, you spend less time searching and more time creating. Take your time with renaming, there's really no rush. If a layer doesn't need a new name, that's totally fine, but once your project starts growing, even a little bit of organization goes a long way. And if you accidentally start editing the name and change your mind, you can hit ESC to cancel or just delete and retype as needed. So that's it with either of these simple methods. You can rename any layer and keep your Photoshop documents neat and easily navigable. If you found this tutorial helpful, do me a favor and hit that like button. If you have any questions about Photoshop or there's a specific topic you'd like me to cover next, drop a comment below. I love hearing from you. And if you're looking for more practical, easy-to-follow Photoshop tips, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.